Welcome to Our Table for Two, a community inspiring the joy of cooking for two and helping you find the courage to try something new. Fall is definitely in the air and it's roasted carrot soup time. Let's get started.
Peel and cut the vegetables. It's really important to cut them so that they are of similar size. This ensures even cooking. Let's toss them on the baking sheet. Going to add some garlic, drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with salt and pepper. Let's add that bay leaf and thyme. Now they're ready to roast. Place the roasted vegetables in a soup pot. Add some broth and simmer. Now it's time to blend. Taste and season the soup. Add that maple syrup and cream. Delish.